Doing my brakes on my 2004 Ford Ranger. I already got it up on the lift. That's how that looks. Alright, here we go. Take this off. I already loosened all the screws. The 2 small ones and the big ones from the back. Alright. Since I don't have a hook to hook this with, I'm gonna go right here. Take that right there. See, plastic tie. Take that off and put it right through here. There. And just let it hang. There you go. See? So it's not stretching. If I want, there, showing it up now. There it is. It's just dangling right there with a plastic tie. So it's not stretching the brake line. Came right off. And look at that. Oh yeah. It was due. I'm due for new brake pads. Look at it. Look how low. Yep. I'm due for new brake pads. Look how that looks. Oh yeah. So I'm going to clean all this, lube that up, clean all that. And then you'll see the difference of how it looks. As you can see. Put the new one on. Then push this in a little bit. I already got the reservoir, brake reservoir cap off. So that's important. So I did that already. So I'll push these in. Just to let you know, to see that right there. Right there. That was actually touching. That was actually touching. Look at that. See? It's actually touching it. So I'm going to fix that, move it back some. Look at that. So I'm going to get that fixed. Wow. So it was touching the rotor. Alright. I already got it on a vice grip. Take these off right now. These are the old ones. Yeah. These are all these away. These are no good. They're already old and destroyed. Take that off. Take a wire brush. Get all in there. Be careful, don't go against this rubber thing. Just go right there. This is still good. I'm gonna lube it up some more. Pick it out. Alright. That's good. Oh yeah. Take these out. Carefully take this off. There. Came right off. Oh yeah, it needs to be cleaned up. It needs to be greased up. Yeah, look at that. In the front. That's it. Take the boot. More right here on this side. Stick it in. Turn it. There you go. Put some more. And that's it. And just work it in there. And press it in. There. It's locked in now. There it is. Nice. Look at that. Stick it in there. Just turn it. Work it in there. Alright. And close this one in. That's closed. And this one here on this side. There you go. There you go. It's closed in. Wipe off the excess. Stick it right in there. There you go. It's going in. As you can see, flushed in all the way. And this one too. Just a little bit of dab right there. And right here. And that's it. As you can see, I'm taking a C-clamp and I'm turning it, pushing the calipers. It's going in. Pushing it right in. There it is, going right in. Using a C-clamp. See how I have it? So just let it rest right there. And just turn. And it's going right in. You see, okay, I got that one in. I'm not gonna do that one. Put it right there. And turn it. Now it's locked in. And just keep turning it until it goes in. As you can see, it's going in. Nice and easy. Going right in. And they're both in. Yep, both pressed in. All right. Then I'll put some grease around it and grease back here. Clean this up a little bit before I do that. Put grease, a little bit of grease right there also. And put the pads in and the new rotor in. Now, how are you gonna keep this rotor fixed like that? So you put it in, it doesn't moves, and then when you put this in, it doesn't go all the way in. There's a gap. So I found this. You got to find something. So I found this piece. I don't know what it is, but it's wide enough. I got to go in this way to go here. See, it goes in. Hold that, and then put the lug nut in there, and then just tighten it up. Now it's locked in. As you can see, now it's straight, it's fixed. So now when I put this on, put everything on, it's gonna be no problem. And there it is. I had to do it from this side, from this angle. So I had to take it back out, put it back in. So now they're in there good. Because of that metal, you gotta make sure they're in there tight. Mess with it so they can be in there. I couldn't do it from there. So I had to take it out and do it again. Okay, this goes in like this. Put it back in there like that. Alright, it's going in. Perfect. It's in there. There. Got it in. Got it tight. And the top one. That's it. Bottom is real tight. Top one real tight. That's how she looks. Now I'll put that around it, put it in. I already greased up the caliper. Just gonna go turn it right there. Perfect fit. Just 2 screws on top. And finished. Done. And that's how that looks. As you can see, plenty of brake pad. So that's fine. It's all in there. Now I can take this off. And take that out. That helps. keep this in place. All right, same thing as the other side. Thank you for watching. And I didn't do a video on that, but let me show you something. That's when I installed the shocks at 159,406 miles. That's when I put these shocks on. And the back also. I did the back also. I marked it so that way I know that with that on, I know when these shocks were installed. So that's how I do my remembrance. That's how I keep track of how long these shocks been on this truck. So right now it's at 165. There's 165,000 miles now. 159. That's when I put these new shocks in. All right. Thank you for watching. And the same thing as the other side. So that's what I'm gonna do next, the other side.